Hello there, my name is Alex from Fans. Today I have for you the 2021 Peugeot Boxer. Now this is a medium roof long wheelbase model. This does come with 43,000 miles upon the clock, and it does also come with satellite navigation, radio, Bluetooth, cruise control, and 3 cloth-lined seats, which I will just show you now as I open the door into the cab. Now, as you can see, we do of course have a 6-speed manual transmission, air conditioning just here for you, as well as a clipboard above here, along with the second one popped just down here, as well as 2 cup holders just there. It's also come with hands-free cooling, and if I just show you the load area in the back, as you can see there is a bit of space above the cab for storage, as well as it being ply-lined, and there are also cargo rings to turn out any loads you may want to carry as well. And as you may notice, there are no dents within the bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Peugeot Boxer, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. The link is in the description. Type in that reg plate, you see it in front just there. This will come up. You can find out some more information about it. If you don't live too far away, come to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more. Take this vehicle for a test drive. One day, this could be working for you.